In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail directly to ChatGPT using the official ChatGPT connector. This feature is available for ChatGPT Plus, Team, and Enterprise users, and it allows you to access powerful AI tools for your emails, including email summaries, smart searching, drafting replies, and much more directly inside ChatGPT. The setup process is simple and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log into your OpenAI account using the account that has your Plus, Team, or Enterprise subscription. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a menu with several settings and account options. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, navigate to the Apps section, which may also appear as Connectors or Data Controls, depending on your version of ChatGPT. In this area, you'll find different integrations that can connect with your ChatGPT account. Look for Gmail in the list of available apps and click the Connect button next to it. After clicking Connect, a Google authorization window will appear on your screen. Select the Gmail account you want to connect to ChatGPT. Google will then ask you to grant permission so ChatGPT can access your emails and related Gmail features. Review the permissions carefully. Then click Allow to continue. These permissions are necessary for features like email summarization, searching inbox content, and drafting responses directly through ChatGPT. Once you approve the connection, ChatGPT will begin syncing with your Gmail account. Depending on the size of your inbox, the initial sync may take a few moments to complete. After the process finishes, your Gmail account will officially be connected to ChatGPT and ready to use. Now you'll be able to ask ChatGPT to help manage your emails in different ways. For example, you can summarize long email threads, search for specific messages, generate professional replies, organize conversations, and quickly find important information inside your inbox without manually searching through Gmail yourself. Overall, the official ChatGPT Gmail connector is a powerful feature that can save a lot of time and make email management much more efficient. If you regularly deal with large amounts of emails, this integration can significantly improve your workflow and productivity. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you successfully connect Gmail to ChatGPT using the official OpenAI integration.